Children, welcome to the online class. This is 4th standard English second lesson. The story of the Medusa and Athena. The story of the Medusa and Athena. She was very beautiful and not married woman, and her hair's long, green eyes, red lips. She was so beautiful. She visited Parthenian temple with her friends, and then she thought that after seeing temple, people will build a grander temple to her beauty. Okay, this is her thinking. Today we are going to deal with the grammar points, page number 20. Some questions they have given. We will send you these answers afterwards. You have to write in your given school notebook. Okay, here third question, I will read for you this one. Read the statements and tick the correct answer. Medusa lived in dash. Here 4 answers are there. Options, these are all. Which one is correct? Choose it and write here. Athens, where Medusa lived in Athens. Okay, right here. The second one, the Parthenian was the largest temple of Athena, the goddess of wealth, health, prosperity, wisdom. Right here, wisdom. The third one is Medusa thought she was dash than goddess Athena. Her thinking, that like only. Which one is correct? You have to choose and write. More popular, prettier, wealthier, more intelligent. Medusa thought she was prettier than goddess Athena. The fourth one is goddess Athena said that anyone who saw Medusa would turn into dash. Snake, monster, stone, rat. Which one is correct? Stone. S-T-O-N-E. Page number 21. Come to this page. See here, children. Making inferences. When we read a text, we can make certain conclusions. Otherwise, conclusion or opinions about the characters. When we have read the lesson, otherwise text, afterwards we become a conclusion. Otherwise, we should tell the opinions about that text or that characters in the situation of the story. These conclusions or opinions are known as inferences. Read the following sentence from the lesson. Medusa was very proud of her beauty and boasted about it to everyone around her. After reading this sentence, we can infer that Medusa is an arrogant person. Yes or no? Medusa is an arrogant person. Okay? Arrogant person. See here, children. The text does not mention that Medusa is arrogant, but we can make an inference based on the fact that she is very proud and boasts about her beauty to everyone. Everyone likes to her beauty because she is very beautiful. She was very beautiful and she was not married woman. Everyone likes her beauty, her hairs, her eyes, everything. Everyone they have like. So, the text does not mention that Medusa is arrogant, but we can make an inference based on the fact that she is very proud and boasts about her beauty to everyone. They have given some questions and 3 options, answers they have given. Which one is correct? You have to tick that sentence. The correct sentence only you have to tick. The first one, statements they have given, select the correct inference. Which one is correct? Suitable sentence for that given statement. First A, I will read for you. But Medusa thought she would have made a better subject for the sculpture than goddess Athena. Medusa thought goddess Athena was not beautiful. The first one is. The second one is Medusa thought she was more beautiful than goddess Athena. The third one is Medusa thought the sculptor had not made a good sculpture of goddess Athena. In these inferences, which one is correct? Which one we have to select from these? To the inference. These are the statements. Statements. We have to choose which one is correct for the inference. The second one is, see children, we should choose this one because in that chapter they have given this one sentence. So, we want to select this one. We want to select. Medusa thought she was more beautiful than goddess Athena. Yes. The second one you have to take. The second one, beat one, I will read for you this one. She would not miss any chance to admire herself while she brushed her hair, or when she passed the bedroom window, or when she drew water for her father's horses. Yes. While she brushed her hair, on that time will be she what? She admire herself. When she passed the bedroom on the window, she can observe her beauty on that also. The first one is here sentence, Medusa looked after her father's horses. The second one is Medusa carried a mirror all the time. The third one is Medusa was obsessed with her beauty. Which one statement is correct to the given inference? This is the inference. These are the sentences. Which one is correct? The third one is correct. Medusa was obsessed with her beauty. She doesn't carry a mirror at all time. Have seen children in that chapter, if wherever she goes, can she carry the mirror all at time? No. She cannot carry a mirror all the time. The third one, see, people began to leave the temple as they feared what might happen if the goddess had overheard Medusa's rash remarks. The first one is Medusa was a short-tempered person. The second one is the people of Athens feared goddess Athena's temper. Third one, people approved of Medusa's remarks. See here. Here the second one is correct. The people of Athens. The people of Athens feared. Why? Goddess Athena's temper. The second one is correct. You have to tick the second statements. Here one question they have given. We will send you this answer. What did Goddess Athena mean by saying you should have your heart in the right place? You should have your heart in the right place. Think it. Where is your heart? Left or right? Okay. Page number 22. Open, children. See here. Introduction to a dictionary. Introduction to a dictionary. A dictionary is a reference book. This is the reference book only. Dictionary is nothing but it is a reference book that lists words and their meanings. The lists words and their meanings. It may be meanings will be there, then words will be there. When we want to search the word and meaning on that time, we should use the dictionary. Why? Because we don't know that meaning of the word on that time, we should use that dictionary. Yes or no? Yes. The words in a dictionary are arranged in an alphabetical order. Already you have seen, everyone has a dictionary in your home. In every day, some children have brought the dictionary to school also. Why? Because they will need to meaning of the word. They want to learn the meaning of the word. They can understand the meaning of the word. So they will use the dictionary. So many students. Okay? The words within a page are arranged alphabetically. Alphabetically the words are arranged in every page. Starting A, afterwards A, after the B, C, that like. The letters in the second and third place in the words also follow an alphabetical order. Guide words are printed at the top of each page. They list the first word and the last word on that page. See the following examples. The guide words are shown in red and the first and last words in blue. See here, children. They have given here bread, bread. You have to see here. See this one, B-R-A-I-D. B-R-E-A-D, last one is there. After B-R, after which letter will come here? You have to search it. The first one is B-R-A is there. Here will be A is there. Here will, see here, in given those words, after B-R-A, A is there. After the A is there here. Afterwards, I is there, first one. Afterwards, M is there. After the M, it will come N. 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 After what comes? S comes. After V comes. After Z comes. Okay? A, B, R, A. Afterwards, E comes. That like alphabetically they have arranged the words in alphabetically. With this called dictionary. Okay? Breadth, bridge. Here B-R-E-A. Already B-R-E same. B-R-E, the same. B-R-E, B-R-E, B-R-E. Here A is there. After A, B will come. Otherwise, if there is no B, C will come. If there is no C, D will come. That like one by one letters will come. See here, breathe, breaker, breathe, breathe, breach, breed, breach, brio, bray, brace, bridge. This like words arranged in alphabetical order. Notice how the list on the left begins with bra words. Bra words only, 3. Afterwards which comes? First same bra. After A, B is not there, C is not there, E is not there. That's why they have given here. After the I, J, K, L is not there, so they have given here M directly. After the M, only one word they have taken, so they have given here N. This like so many words they have to use. See here, bra, words and ends with bray, words, bray words, E. Here A is there, here E. Likewise, the list on the right begins with bray words and ends with brie words. Bray after E after I know. So, B-R-E, they have taken first one E, the ending is I. The ending is I because now in these words they have completed B-R-E because W. Complete that. The alphabetical order. Afterwards they have taken here I. They start from I. For example, to look for the word bramble, you would refer the page with guide words braid, breed and not breadth, bridge because the word bramble falls under bra words. Tick the correct pair of guide words for each words given below. See here children, here P-L-A-N-T, pool they have given, down they have given here, plant, polite, poem, pot. See here, P-O is there here will be P-O is there. E after, what comes here? T. Correct pair, this one is correct pair. See here, R is there here, U is there. So, the second one is correct. Here, drawn, R, D-A-T-A, data, D-E-A-D, dead. See here, A, next, E, ending E only here. Okay. The second one, C, third one is C, monkey, monkey, moist, money, mollusk, mono, monograph, moon. The second one is correct. The second one is correct. The starting is L, you should take from here, afterwards N it is completed. Compress, compare, comprise. The third one is correct. International, interlude, intersect. The first one is correct. The last one is tilt, tiger, time, tiger, time. The L after M is there. Starting you should take from G. Okay. The next one. Build your word power. Build your word power. Already you have studied the dictionary. Dictionary meaning you have studied already. Okay. Dictionary meaning will be you have studied. Okay children, I hope you are all understood this one. Next period we will continue this one, page number 23, compound nouns. Okay children, you have to copy this one which we have already told you. This one you have to complete. Okay, read the lesson properly. Take care.